Hello everyone, and welcome to Psychological Frontier. Have you ever wondered why psychologists explain human behavior in different ways? That's because psychology has developed through several schools of thought, and each one offers a unique way of understanding the human mind and behavior. The good news is that by the end of this video, you'll not only know all 10 major schools of thought, but you'll also learn an easy mnemonic that makes remembering them simple. So, let's get started. Structuralism. Structuralism was the first school of psychology. It was founded by Wilhelm Wundt and later developed by Edward Titchener. It focused on analyzing the structure of the mind by breaking conscious experiences into their basic elements through introspection. Functionalism. Functionalism, led by William James, asked a different question. What is the purpose of the mind? It studied how mental processes help people adapt to their environment. Behaviorism. Behaviorism, introduced by John B. Watson and expanded by B.F. Skinner, focused only on observable behavior. It explains that behavior is learned through experience, rewards, and punishments. Gestalt Psychology. Gestalt Psychology, founded by Max Wertheimer, states that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Our brain naturally organizes information into meaningful patterns. Psychoanalysis. Psychoanalysis, developed by Sigmund Freud, explains that unconscious thoughts, childhood experiences, and inner conflicts strongly influence our behavior and personality. Humanistic Psychology. Humanistic Psychology, developed by Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, emphasizes free will, personal growth, self-esteem, and achieving one's full potential. Cognitive Psychology. Cognitive psychology studies mental processes such as thinking, memory, attention, language, learning, and problem solving. It explains how we process information. Biological perspective. The biological perspective focuses on the brain, nervous system, hormones, and genetics. It explains how biological factors influence our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Evolutionary Psychology. Evolutionary psychology explains that many human behaviors developed through evolution because they helped our ancestors survive and reproduce successfully. Socio-Cultural Perspective. The socio-cultural perspective studies how culture, family, society, and social interactions shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Easy mnemonic to remember all 10 schools. Now here's a simple trick to remember all 10 schools of thought. Silly friends bring good pizza. Home carefully before evening snacks. Let's break it down. S. Structuralism. F. Functionalism. B. Behaviorism. G. Gestalt Psychology. P. Psychoanalysis. H. Humanistic Psychology. C. Cognitive Psychology. B. Biological Perspective. E. Evolutionary Psychology. S. Socio-Cultural Perspective. Repeat it with me. Silly friends bring good pizza. Home carefully before evening snacks. One sentence, and you've remembered all 10 schools of thought. Each school of thought offers a unique perspective on understanding human behavior. Together, they form the foundation of modern psychology and continue to influence research, education, therapy, and everyday life. If this mnemonic helped you remember the schools of thought, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Psychological Frontier, and turn on the notification bell for more easy-to-understand psychology lessons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.